Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your email to your Outlook. So as you can see, I'm already on my computer here, so let's just find Outlook and open it. You can see I have mine already here on my taskbar, so I'm just going to click that and then to open it. So if you don't have yours, just look for it on your computer and then search for Outlook if you're on Windows and then open that. Alright? But as you can see, mine is already open up here, so as you can see, it's empty at the moment. So you want to add a new email account, so just go to file up here, to file, and then come to add account there, right? And then this should open up, so you can write your name there. I'm just going to write, let's say Kandoatak, right? And Kandoatak there, and then just use your email. So I'm just going to enter mine, right? .com, right, and then I will enter my password. So let me just enter all my details, password, and then retype the password. So once you are done entering all your details, just enter next and all. So it will show you that if you enter all the right information, it should give you this. So allow this website to configure, make sure. So if you don't want it to ask you again, click on that and then you can allow it. If you click on that, allow, and then it should start searching, keep on searching there. So if it's giving you this error, just press next. So as you can see, it gave you a blue tick, so that email is now perfect. So now it's just logging on to the server and testing the email there, right? As you can see, it has now give you all these blue 3 ticks there. So as you can see, your IMAP email account is successfully configured, right? So if you want to add another account, you can add to this, but if you only want to add that one, you can go to finish. Right, you got that, and then as you can see, your email has now been added here, right? So let's see if it's working. As you can see, these are all the emails there, right? And then it's also giving me this notification here. So these are all my emails that I sent. So to see if it's working, you can send a new mail, just new mail, click on new mail, and then let's say you want it to send it to, let's send it to my other email. And then just to check my Gmail, right? That's the email, and then let's just add a sub, let's just say forward. So and then the email, let's just say this is just a tutorial or something, tutorial, right? So you got that. So now let's send it. So send that to you. So now you send it. So let's go check if we did get that email. Go to your mail, then come here. This is the email, and then you'll see you got this from Kandoatak. That's the email that we just sent right now. As you can see, it's the time, it's 8:17 there, and then if you look here is 8:18. So this is the email that we sent. Then if you open it, you see your subject forward there, and then this is just a tutorial. So your email is working there. So yeah, that's how you add your email to your Outlook. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.